Hello guys, welcome to SP Labs. So here's a quick tip in Blender. So today we are going to take a look at the calculator function inside Blender. It's actually not the calculator which you um, generally use, but it is done using the Python console inside Blender. So here I have a scene with the same mesh duplicated 3 times. So the reason for that is like I need to find out exactly how much density I need for the LODs. Like imagine these are LODs. So this is LOD 0, LOD 1, and LOD 2. So those who are not aware about LODs, LOD is actually called level of detail, which is used in video games uh, to uh, to get good performance when the assets are used in a scene. Okay, so what happens is when the camera goes away from the object, we don't need that much resolution for the mesh, so the mesh can be optimized for a far distant object. So that is why we use LODs. So for LODs, there's a little bit of math involved. Of course, you can use decimation or something like that in Blender to get optimized mesh. Like by decimation, what I mean is like this mesh is around 13,500 triangles. For suppose this LOD 0, so I named here Swiss cheese LOD 0. So for LOD 1, now it is the same density, but I applied a decimate modifier. So decimate modifier is the best for reduction inside Blender. So I can always type here like 0.5. That means it will reduce it exactly by half, 6,784 triangles. And the last one, I mean the last LOD 2, if I want it to be half of this, I can use a 0.25. That means it will be around 3,300. So this gives like the exact values which you want for the LODs. But what if you need to do some calculations? So here I will revert it back to 100%. So what if you want the exact values to be calculated beforehand? So usually what we usually do is we use the Windows calculator to do this. So this is an extra third-party app. I think not a third-party app, but you have to load this every time you are modeling, and it is time consuming. So each time you have to enter the numbers and clear it. So what I recently found is that Blender already has this function. It is not actually the calculator, but you can actually choose any window, any window or sidebar. So I'll use this one, the one on the left lower quadrant. So open this editor type and go under scripting. You have this Python console. So open that. So this actually can be used as a simple math operator. So people who are well versed with math, like they can do mental math. But for me, I'm not into math, so I'm an artist. So it always is always easier for me to use a calculator or something like this. So recently I found that Blender has this option, Python module, which can be used for any type of simple math operation. Suppose this mesh is around 13,571 tries. What if I need exactly 7,500 tries for the next one? Not exactly half, but I want 7,500 tries for LOD 1. Okay, so how will I find that out? How much I need to reduce? So it's pretty easy. So how much is 7,500 when you compare that with the LOD 0? Divide by 13,571. So that gives me a value of 0.5526. So we can actually take this first four digits right after the decimal point. So like 0.5526. So go into this second one, LOD 1, and just type in 0.5526. So when I do that, check here, like the density is like very close to 7500. So this I never used any calculator, any other external application for finding the density. Okay, so what if for the final for the last already I need 2000 tries or 2150 tries. So take for example like that much I need. Okay, it's again if it is to 2550, like for example, divide by the original 13571. So how much is it? So it comes around 0.1879. So we can say 0.188. So the last one 0.188. So that gives me 2551 tries. So this is exactly how you use the Python console for simple math operations. So you don't need any other external software or any calculator or anything for this. So Blender already has this function. You can actually all do all the like multiplication, division, or subtraction, or like simple math operators here. Hope that was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.